Hello, everybody, and welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In the purple mystery box, there is some math, and your challenge is to figure out what it is. You can use the link in the description to try this out, and when you think you've got an idea, come on back and see if we get the same thing. All right, let's start with a 0. All right, 0 gives us 2. How about a 1? So at 1, we're already up at 10, so maybe a pretty steep line. Let's try a 2. Whoa. So 2, we're at 50. So this is accelerating pretty rapidly. I'm just going to put in a 3 here. Okay. I think I might know what's going on. Let's try some negative numbers. Right. -1 gives us 0.4. -2 gives us 0.8. So are you thinking what I'm thinking? I'm thinking exponential because, first of all, it's accelerating so rapidly up here. That got me thinking about that. And then, after where it crosses here, crosses the y-axis, it shoots up really fast on the right. And on the left, it gets closer and closer to the x-axis. So I think what we're getting here is powers, and negative powers give us fractions. And so we get these decimals here. And positive powers get big really quickly. So if this is an exponential function, it's some number to the x, and maybe there's something else going on. Um, in fact, I know there's something else going on because at 0, we get 2. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So I think actually we're multiplying by 2 probably, unless we're adding. No, I don't think we're adding, because if we were, yeah, we're not adding. It doesn't make sense with these other points. So I think we're multiplying by 2. So let's actually start sketching out this function. So f of x equals 2 times something to the x power. What is that something? Well, you want to figure out what's the multiplier between each step. And what does it take to get from 2 to 10? Well, that'd be times 5. And then 10 to 50, same thing. 50 to 250, same thing. We're multiplying by 5. So I think this is 2 times 5 to the x. But let's test that with these negative powers. If we put in a -1, we'd get 2 times 5 to the -1. 5 to the -1 is 1/5, so that's 2 times 1/5 would be 2/5. That is 0.4. How about the -2? So 2 times 5 to the -2 is 2 times, and 5 to the -2 is 1 over 5 squared, or 1/25. So we got 2/25. That is 0.08. You can take 2 and divide by 25 on your calculator to check that, but that's the case. So I think we've got this. I think this is 2 times 5 to the x. Let's take a look. Yeah, 2 times 5 to the x. Wonderful. Let's graph that. And again, that exponential curve that hugs the y-axis all the way out here on the negative side and then shoots up like crazy after it crosses the y-axis. Well, how did that go for you? Were you thinking exponential? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.